Ajiwi ishi Sinakeithei shokta kale to short bibang aina ina ki hangkang aina kachiba ishiwi tangkur naga area li shokta kale jati khani wi bang aina hitada shokta kale aya take 6 wi siwi sho pung chuko kata aina kap ngarok ta kale yurchat khani kap ngarok ta kale itumbi kap ngarok salala po maina shichingda sada kale saiko rawiba naka tangkor area ka tongali maring ka pha phongchok ta kale ne isi sinalong ka tonga wibang ina ki hang khangai ne
Sinakeithei sinalong na protest sa ta hi ayang thor pungchiko milithang phangawe na habok na ka nga thor aina tangda Sinakeithei li sophisticated salak ka high weapon shichin laka even bomb aina tangda shichin laka khuram hili kapsang laka parai nausan kharnausan naushnau kutong ali panic sa khangsak ngayam tha da mapi mapam khangsak hiwi maring ka pha sa da ach itumi protest pam da khleinai jaina Kuki terrorist hina sui aming hon laka free movement sa laka litanui ocho choklala akhali shok salala Sinakeithei li ung laka hithada Kuki terrorist hina attack sa shon gachi hi ach iram ramna huptana thaimilo gachi bawa Sinakeithei hi raiwe apam maning mane kha itum mijam praja hi ring room da khlainai chiwangina itumi khring khrakli la machung mathamaida kala thangwi kharing kharakli sawagi gichi otpam gichi wali kala kachichawi ot nguruchi mapung phalaka na sawa khwai gichi yawi saiko phapta milo gichi la polish ta leye litanli shok thoili shok Sinakeithei li thada attack sa shon gichi bomb shichin laka persang sak laka khangacham sophisticated salakai khulai ka tonga shichin laka hithada ram hili kapi ka pamma phakuila leinga sakta klei athumi sakashia ningrin Kuki terrorist pingwi sakshila kaya ningrin hi leiphlungai gachi hi kala athum nahi da attack sa taklei itum Sinakeithei maring phapa lungmanai gachi phong shok sa da itum Sinakeithei shnaulang ahopna hi pamda klei share.
We, the women of Sinakeithei village in Manipur, have come together to sit in peaceful protest to strongly condemn yesterday's incidents. The attack reportedly carried out by Kuki terrorists using sophisticated weapons has created fear and insecurity among all residents. For the past 1 and 2 months, my village, Sinakeithei, has been facing repeated incidents of gunfire, bombing, and serious disturbances in our day-to-day lives. We cannot continue to live our normal life as usual. Yesterday's incident was not an isolated case. It has been repeatedly carried out by the Kuki terrorists in our village. People living in this village have already been in constant fear, and students cannot go to the school as usual. They cannot go out and play. Their minds are already traumatized. Elders and all-age persons, even though they are weak, even though they cannot move freely, they are just staying at home with fear and trembling. Even yesterday night, the small children, aged 1 to 2 years, they are shivering and cannot even voice out, hearing the sound of bombing and gunfire. So, through this media, I would like to appeal to the concerned authorities to take immediate actions, to the government of Manipur, the Honorable Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan, to look into the incidents that had been happening in our village. We cannot go on like this. We need basic rights as a human beings. We need food, we need education, we need finances to continue living. But what happened here is the Kuki terrorists are setting up their bunkers in our own land, in our own mountain ranges, Lungtir ranges, We cannot even get into our garden to pluck the vegetables that we planted. And even now, for the upcoming months, to survive, we cannot even go there and plant paddy or vegetables. So we want our respected government to look into the situation. We also set up the bunkers in our village itself, but that is just to defend ourselves, the very land that we have left. As we have already raised our voices so many times in the media that the Kuki terrorists are encroaching our land, our property, and that is not a rightful thing. The bunkers that they had set up had already disturbed our lives repeatedly during the daytime, maybe morning or even at night. We cannot move freely, whereas the Kuki terrorists, they are moving freely, carrying the sophisticated weapons here and there. To live along with that, it's not proper for a simple common people to live peacefully. We would like to condemn and also appeal the Manipur government, especially the Manipur government, to look into the situation and take immediate actions, dismantle the bunkers that they have already set up in our land, and also upgrade the securities which we need and fulfill the basic rights that we as a human being needs. We are peaceful, loving society, and we are not asking something which is not reasonable. We are demanding to give us the thing which we need, which is a basic rights for us. Thank you so much.